In this video, I show you how to fix Citizen TD SMR launcher uninstall. For doing this, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search Citizen TD SMR launcher. Tap on it. You can see that here no uninstall option. For installing, scroll down, find out home app, tap on it. Now go back to your phone default launcher. For my case, Pixel launcher, or other phone you have system launcher or any launcher, then tap on it. Now go to settings again, then go to apps, then tap on Citizen TD SMR launcher. Now tap on uninstall. Okay. Now I hope that you successfully uninstalled Citizen TD SMR launcher. Thanks for watching. Don't